Hey guys, today let's learn how to know if someone is on the ghost mode on your Snapchat. So basically, how do you know if someone has gone through or is currently on ghost mode on their devices? And it's pretty easy to do this because all we need to do basically is to head on over to the Snapchat applications and basically try to find them. So basically, on the Snapchat applications, ghost mode will allow you to basically hide from your friends and not let them know where you currently at and not see as well as your snaps and posting stories. So if your friend usually shares their location, they're usually sending posting stories, and also you can also see them on the snap map, well, most likely the chances are they got their ghost mode feature enabled, because if any of your friends have ghost mode enabled, basically you won't necessarily be able to tell if they're using the feature. But as well as well connected to that, if your friend usually shares their location, they usually share your Snapchats to you and post stories as well, but you can see them on the snap map, well, most likely they are on ghost mode. So that is how you know, guys, if that specific friend is on ghost mode, if they usually share their locations, sending postings and sending snaps and posting stories, but you can also see them on the snap map, chances are they are on ghost mode. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.